Okay, so electromobility is not an end in itself, it's a means to reach certain policy objectives. And what we want with our cities in Tide, but also within the Polis network, is to have nice cities to live in, where the air quality is good, where it's nice for citizens to walk around, where there is quality of life, let's say. And the policy goal of many European cities is to come to sustainable mobility, to healthy mobility. And in that sense, electromobility has a clear role to play as one part of the solution. But of course, electromobility is also about innovation, and what the TIDE project is doing is to make that innovation more accessible to cities across Europe. You have pioneers such as Rotterdam, such as Barcelona, who are taking the lead in implementing electromobility in their cities. But with TIDE, we want to make sure that the path towards the deployment of innovation is shortened for other cities, that they can learn from the pioneers by using the tools that the TIDE project is offering, such as is this particular measure suitable for my specific local context? So, and because of that question, we are offering tools such as transferability handbooks, but also impact assessment tools that help you as a city to judge whether a certain measure is also suitable for you. So it's reducing the risk of jumping into something that is quite innovative, let's say. Well, electromobility is about cooperation as well, and all stakeholders have a role to play. So the European level can set common framework conditions to push the electric vehicle market, to make sure that enough charging infrastructure is in place in cities. And cities can also help to push the market by being living labs, by being the places where innovation can take off, can pick up, and by providing incentives to make sure that electromobility is also something that is becoming attractive to the end user. And then, of course, the private market also has a role to play. The utilities by providing the charging infrastructure, the car industry by providing the clean vehicles. And it's really this interaction between these different players and the role of cities to provide incentives in the initial phase that will make sure that the electric vehicle is picked up by the end user, and then it can play a role in making cities more livable.